Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Do you want to bypass your Epson printer ink error? Well, this can be done easily by performing power cleaning or cleaning the printhead manually. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. For instant solution, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, follow my instructions to bypass the error. Method 1. Perform power cleaning. Go to your printer display and press the home button. Scroll left and go to Maintenance and open it. Under Maintenance, select Power Cleaning. On the next window, review the information. After reading the information, you'll see an OK button below. Just select it. In the confirmation window, click on Yes to follow the next prompt and run power cleaning. On the next screen, just follow the instruction. Once done, check the I confirm box and hit OK. Now, you'll be notified to perform power cleaning again after waiting for 12 hours. Here, check the I confirm box and hit OK. In the third instruction, you'll be informed about checking if the free space in the maintenance box remains after cleaning. Again, I confirm box and hit OK. In the next window, you'll be prompted to press and hold the OK button for about 5 seconds. So do it to start the power cleaning process. Now, wait for about 10 minutes for power cleaning to complete. Once the screen shows that the power cleaning is complete, tap on OK and check the print quality after 12 hours. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, subscribe to our channel. For more videos on the printer issues, please tell us your issues in the comments. Method 2. Clean the printhead manually. Go to printer display and give it a copy command. Then, during the process, remove the power cord. Lift the top cover. Remove the ink cartridges individually. Use a screwdriver to gently pull the top cover of the printhead from both the left and right sides. Note, don't harm the tape attached to the chip behind the plate. Open all the screws. Now, carefully take out the printhead. Note, don't harm the tape attached to it. Gently tug out the cable attached to the chip. Gather a lint-free cloth, a plastic box, isopropyl alcohol, and some warm water. Put a 50-50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol and warm water in the box, enough to soak the printheads. Place the printhead into the solution box for about 2 minutes. Take the printhead out and rub it onto the lint-free cloth until it is completely dry. Place the ink cartridges printhead into the solution box for about 2 minutes. Take the ink cartridges out and rub them onto the lint-free cloth from top to bottom until they are completely dry. Note, make sure the ink cartridges are releasing the ink perfectly without any breaks in the line.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.